This is another topic which often causes confusion. So let me break it down for you and explain to you everything. We use the indefinite articles a or an when we talk about some non-specific thing or person for the first time. When we talk about the same thing or person again, it's not non-specific anymore. It's already a particular thing or a person. In this case, we use the article the. For example, I found a cat under my car in the morning. We talk about some non-specific cat for the first time. Did you feed the cat before you left? The cat, not a cat. Because now it's not just some non-specific cat, one of many cats. Now it's a particular cat. One is often used as a pronoun in order not to repeat the same noun several times. For example, Mary and John both have cars. Mary has a red one. John has a black one. We could have said, Mary has a red car and John has a black car. We used the word car once. Later, in order not to repeat it, we can use one. But we only use it with non-specific objects. We don't use it for people. For example, I want to buy a jacket. Would you like a smart one or an occasional one? A cheap one. I went down to the store to buy a new iPhone and I bought the last one. Or we could say, I went down to the store to buy a new iPhone and I bought the last iPhone. In order not to repeat iPhone many times, we change it into one. But remember, we only use one when we don't talk about a particular object. It is a pronoun. We can use it instead of a singular, specific object. For example, Honey, did you see my car key? Yes, I think I saw it before the dog ate it. I saw it before the dog ate it. We talk about a particular car key. John's car key. Instead of saying, yes, I think I saw your car key before the dog ate your car key, we can change the repeated particular object into it. I saw it before the dog ate it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson. Stay tuned.